Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Physics Hub. I hope everyone is doing well. If you are preparing for KSET, GATE, IIT JAM and CSIR NET, then this channel is for you. Follow our community for day-to-day updates. Links are in description. In this video, we will cover the complete physics syllabus for KSET. If you are preparing for assistant professor in Karnataka, this session will give you a unit by unit explanation so you can understand exactly what to study. We will cover exam pattern, marking scheme, and the detailed syllabus of physics. The KSET exam consists of two papers. Paper 1 is general paper. About this already discussed in previous video. In this video, we will discuss the paper 2, that is physical science. Here, the number of questions is 100, that is in the form of MCQs, and the maximum marks is 200, means each question carries 2 marks, and the duration of exam is 2 hours. Here is the complete physics syllabus overview. There are 9 subjects in physics. First one, mathematical methods of physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, electronics and experimental methods, atomic and molecular physics, condensed matter physics, and the last one is nuclear and particle physics. Let us start with the mathematical methods of physics. This subject is the backbone of physics. For KSET, this unit has significant weightage. Approximately 8 to 12 questions will be asked from this subject every year. From vector analysis, finding the gradient, divergence, curl, solenoidal condition, rotational and irrotational condition, based question will be asked repeatedly. Next, from the matrices, finding the eigenvalue is most repeated question, and types of matrices are important. From Fourier series, Fourier transform, Laplace transform, the formula-based questions will be asked. Next, the very important topic is complex analysis. In complex analysis, finding the residue, pole, and expansion of Taylor series, analytic function, Cauchy-Riemann equations are important. In probability, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution is important, and differential equation and special function is also one of the important topics. Overall, in this subject, questions are easy and moderate level. If you prepare only this much of topic, you will get full marks. Next subject is classical mechanics. In KSET from classical mechanics, usually conceptual and problem-based questions will be asked. For example, Newton's laws of motion, conservation of energy and momentum, central force problems, simple harmonic oscillation, generalized coordinates, degrees of freedom, Lagrangian equation of motion, Hamilton's equation of motion, and conversion of Lagrangian to Hamiltonian and Hamilton to Lagrangian, and rigid body dynamics are important topics. Total 8 to 10 questions will be asked on this subject every year. Next is electromagnetic theory. Electromagnetic theory is a core topic of KSET physics. Many direct and numerical questions are asked from Maxwell's equation, wave propagation, and boundary conditions. Electromagnetic theory is divided into three parts. First one is electrostatics, second one is magnetostatics, third one is electromagnetic induction. In electrostatics, Gauss law, Coulomb's law. Similarly, in magnetostatics, Ampere's law, Biot-Savart's law are important. Memorize the Maxwell's equation and their vector forms and practice problems on wave propagation. In this subject, 10 to 12 questions will be asked every year. Next is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is one of the most scoring subject in KSET physics. The questions mainly asked from wave mechanics, 1D, 2D, 3D boxes, angular momentum, approximation methods, operators and commutators, particle in a box, harmonic oscillator, and applications like hydrogen atoms. Next is thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. Here they mainly focus on laws of thermodynamics, finding the efficiency of engines, ensembles, partition functions, distribution of particle and their energies, and black body radiation. From this subject also 10 to 12 questions will be asked every year. Next is electronics. In electronics, logic gates and combinational circuits, op amps, and mainly focus on optoelectric devices. These are highly scoring areas for KSET. Next is atomic and molecular physics. From AMP, finding the ground states, Zeeman and Stark effect, and selection rules for transition, rotational and vibrational spectra, Raman effect are important. Next is CMP, mainly focus on crystal structure, Bragg's law, phonons, Fermi energy, band theory, and superconductivity. These are most scoring areas of CMP. And the last one is nuclear and particle physics. In this subject, focus on binding energy, nuclear models, conservation rules, and quark classifications. For qualifying KSET exam, for general category, minimum 40% of paper 1 and paper 2 means out of 300 marks, you must score 120 marks. This is not a cutoff. Cutoff varies each year and depending on subject and category. For reserved categories like SC, ST, Category 1, 2A, 3A, and 3B, minimum 35% of paper 1 and paper 2 is necessary. Means total out of 300 marks, 105 marks you have to score. Again, I am saying that it is not a cutoff. This is only eligibility marks. All the best for your KSET journey. Keep learning and keep exploring. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts, then comment below. Thank you.